Do you want a rack to hang your clothes? And are you thinking about buying it? Don't buy it. Just make it yourself. How do we make it, you say? Well, I'm glad you asked. Because I was going to teach you how to make one yourself. It's very simple and easy to make. It doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman, young or old, anybody can make it if you just follow the video. Here's the material. You need 2 pieces of 1x4 to form the leg of your rack. Doesn't matter how long it is, it depends on how big you want it. Here in this video, I'm going to use 1.5 feet. Next, you're going to need another piece that is 1x3. And here, I've cut it down to 2 feet in length. This will be the connector for the 2 pieces of wood here. And that will form the base leg of your rack. Next, you're going to need 2 more pieces for the stand. These are 2x1s, and here in this video I'm going to make a 4 feet long rack. So this entire length of this piece, 2 piece, is 4 feet. And finally, you're going to need another piece that is 2x1 of the same length as the base here. This will be the connector at the top of the post, and also this will serve as the pole where you're going to hang your clothes. And here are the tools you need: a handsaw, a chisel, a spot shave. This is for shaping your work pieces. If you don't have a spot shave, you can use a knife, a screwdriver, and some screws. If you don't have a screwdriver, you can use some nails and a hammer. That's all you need, nothing fancy. Now, first things first, the legs. Now, you can use this as it is, but for this video, I'm gonna use a little bit of profiling for the legs so that it looks a little bit fancy. Now I'm going to cut out a curve on the marked area and notches on the top. Boom, done. Next, take your 1x3 piece, measure out the thickness of the leg, cut out a notch. And done. Now do that on both ends and try and test fit. Now this piece needs to sit flush with the legs, so you measure out the thickness and cut out a notch here too. Done. Both are done. Now a quick test to see if it fits. Perfect. Now for the post. I'm going to mount it on either side, so cut out the notches here at the bottom and try to mount it on with the help of screws. Notches on both posts done, it's time to do the top. Bring in the last piece, cut out notches on both ends. Both sides done. Now this needs to be mounted here on top, and this needs to be flush here, so we have to mark out and cut out notches on both posts. Abracadabra, done. Now take your top piece, shave off a little bit round for your hanger to hang perfectly. Boom, done. Now it's time to assemble everything with screws. And that's it. One simple cloth rack, done.